What's up traders, my name is Layla and welcome back to another no-nonsense market recap. This week, the market wasn't just sending signals, it was flashing a red warning light and screaming bear right in our faces. Wednesday's Liberation Day tariff policy has unleashed financial chaos. Thursday delivered the most devastating market wipeout since 2020, the biggest one-day sell-off in nearly 5 years, striking just 24 hours after President Trump's tariff bombshell. The tech-heavy NASDAQ nosedived a stomach-turning 6%. The S&P 500 plummeted nearly 5%, and the Dow Jones tumbled 4%, hemorrhaging at 1,700 points, making it the 5th worst day in the index's entire history. However, the White House suggests tariff negotiations could provide an off-ramp from this highway to financial hell. President Trump remains optimistic about cutting deals after dropping these tariff bombs, meaning the nightmare could be short-lived. Wedbush's Dan Ives didn't mince words, calling Trump's tariff plan worse than the worst-case scenario. While he expects countries to scramble for deals, he warned of self-inflicted economic Armageddon if these tariffs stick around. So, are we officially in bear territory? By the textbook definition of a 20% drop, not quite. But don't be fooled, most stocks have been spiraling downward for weeks. The once mighty Magnificent Seven tech titans collectively watched over $1 trillion in market cap disappear within a single day. Apple crashed more than 9% as Chinese supply chain fears grew after China got slapped with tariffs, raising its overall rate to 54%. Nvidia tumbled over 7% on similar concerns, and Amazon shares plummeted 9%, its worst single-day performance since 2022. But not all hope is lost. Consumer Staples is proudly waving a green flag up about 0.9%. PVH Corp, home to Tommy Hilfiger and Calvin Klein, strutted up an impressive 15% after better than expected earnings, and Newsmax shares have skyrocketed over 1,000% from their $10 IPO price. Gold continues its glittering ascent, smashing records at $3,100 an ounce. Meanwhile, crude oil hit 5-week highs as President Trump threatened secondary tariffs on Russian crude and rattled sabers at Iran. While President Trump has exceeded Wall Street's worst nightmares this week, the bull market isn't dead yet. Its pulse depends entirely on how politicians here and abroad respond to these tariffs. So keep your trading fingers nimble and your investment strategy flexible, because in markets, as in life, sometimes you need to weather the storm in order to appreciate the rainbow. Tune in next week as we continue to track the market's every move, and subscribe down below for more market recap videos from Bullish Bear. Until next time, stay disciplined, manage your risk, and remember, bears make money, bulls make money, but pigs get slaughtered. See you in the trading room.